grinding gears. Stop doing this. Clear grinding when you shift gears. Your signature may be worn out. Always press the clutch all the way down before shifting. And change your transmission oil every 15,000 km. In hot climates like Africa, every 30,000 km is better. Change engine repair costs a few $100. New gearbox can cost thousands. Take care of your gearbox before it's too late. Follow me for more track tips.